I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Hey Siri on your MacBook Neo. Now this is very simple. Go to the top left corner and click on that Apple logo and select System Settings. Under System Settings, on the left hand side, click on Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then you will see your Siri options here. So basically, to turn Siri on or off, you use this button. So that's confirm you want to enable, enable, and that's going to turn on Siri. Now this turns on Siri only for typing, so you can type to Siri. But if you want to enable Hey Siri, so you can actually activate Hey Siri, or rather you can activate the voice assistant using voice command, then you need to turn Siri or Hey Siri, or if you want just Hey Siri, choose one of these options. I'm going to choose both so that I can be able to use any. Now it says this helps Siri recognize your voice, so let's hit continue. Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. So once Siri finishes learning your voice, you can now click on done and you should be good to go. So now anytime you want to use Siri, just say, hey Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Siri. Siri. Hey Siri. Well, I think it's not working because I'm recording. Let me finish the recording.